In 1984, we built something that nobody had built before. In 1992, we did it again. And we didn't exactly stop there. Today, the next chapter in our story begins. After building Europe's first moving floor trailer and revolutionizing it in the 90s by being the first to incorporate side doors, we are raising the bar yet again. Or rather, we are getting it out of your way. We present to you the moving floor trailer with fully openable side section. And to make sure that you can always depend on it, d.machinery has been rigorously tested in the unforgiving Nordic winter. See, it used to be all about the truck. But we changed that, because it is in our DNA to never just follow the pack, but to always be ahead of it. Just like you, our customer. No guts, no glory. d.machinery. Proven flexibility improved.